I think the Great Waters course visually is spectacular. I think strategic, it's spectacular. I think it's the trees, the views, the beauty is spectacular. You know, the last 8 holes are on the water of the golf course, and that's a pretty special. It's a special piece of property, and the people here at Lake Oconee gave me the opportunity to do the golf course and gave me the water to do it. Not many places would do that. I enjoy it. I get a kick out of creativity, creating things. I love creating. I love taking something that nature has given us and try to enhance nature without changing nature. And it's fun. It's creative. It's a legacy. Spectacular is a pretty good word for the golf course.